Let's talk about July. It's one of the most challenging months for gardeners. The heat is intense, the pests are aggressive, and sometimes it feels like your garden is fighting against you instead of with you. You've watered, you've weeded, you've planted with so much hope, and then you walk outside one morning, and the leaves are curling, covered in tiny bugs. The plants you've nurtured suddenly look like they're fading. I know that feeling. I've been there, and I want to speak directly to you, the gardener who's ready to throw in the trowel. Don't give up. This season is tough, but you are tougher. You don't need to start over. You just need the right tools, the right knowledge, and a little encouragement. Because the truth is, nature is resilient, and with a little help, your garden can bounce back beautifully. Today, I want to show you the exact spray I used to bring mine back. A simple, homemade neem oil spray that destroyed the pests in just one night and gave my plants a second chance. I overcrowded my raised bed. Tomatoes, peppers, squash, herbs, all crammed together. It looked full of life at first, but the airflow disappeared. And in that tight, humid space, the bugs moved in fast. Aphids blanketed my stems. Whiteflies hid under every leaf. My plants were gasping for help. I didn't want to use chemicals, so I searched for something powerful, but natural. Here's what I used, and what I'll always keep in my gardening toolkit from now on. Homemade neem oil spray, 2 tablespoons cold-pressed neem oil, 1 teaspoon unscented Castile soap, 1 quart water, a 32 Oz spray bottle. First, pour the water into your bottle. Then add the Castile soap. It helps the neem oil mix into the water. Now add your neem oil. Cold-pressed neem keeps its natural properties. That's what makes it so powerful. Close the bottle and shake gently until the mixture turns cloudy. That's it. Simple, affordable, natural. Before treating all your plants, always test on 1 leaf first. Wait 24 hours. Then, if all is well, spray away. Early morning or late evening. Never during the heat of the day. Spray the tops of the leaves. And most importantly, spray underneath. That's where the pests hide. Repeat every 7 days if needed, but you might only need 1 round. Within 24 hours, the pests were disappearing. By day 2, my plants were bouncing back. Tomatoes started flowering. Squash leaves opened again. Even the watermelon vines began stretching across the bed. What felt like a hopeless garden was growing again. So, if you're out there feeling frustrated, if your garden is being taken over, don't quit. Try this spray. It's natural. It's powerful. And it saved my garden. If this helped you, like this video. Comment below and tell me your story. And subscribe for more garden remedies. Because we grow better together. Stay rooted. Stay hopeful. Your garden's best days might still be ahead.